found this pocket bike in a friend's barn, and how horrible it looks you already know. Together with you I want to find out if it will run, because I don't know. I just know that the engine turns over, but nothing else. I don't know what happened to it, why it was in that barn, I don't know nothing. We will just find out what's wrong with it. Oops. Before we start cleaning, I want to remove that carburetor because I'm pretty sure that it needs to be cleaned anyway. And I don't want to get water in there, so we remove that first. Okay, I forgot this throttle cable that needs to go first, because it goes to the throttle, and with that on I cannot remove the carburetor. So I gotta remove this. I think just turn it off. Let's see. Okay, we should check this reed valve as well that sits in here. So we gotta remove this as well. I just saw something pretty interesting. This is the intake, and here you see the crankshaft. So this engine pulls through the crankshaft and not through the cylinder. That's special to me. I don't know if this is so common, but usually the engines have the intake through the cylinder. But I close the intake with this tape, so no dirt and no water can get inside. Let's see if the tubes are destroyed or if the air just like went out over time. Maybe they are not destroyed. This doesn't sound good. That's bad. These tubes are definitely destroyed. Oh yeah. Okay, good news. I tried again and it was just the valve not fitting right. Now we got pressure on and it's holding the pressure for now. That's pretty good. And we can check the spark plug as well. Okay, this is freaking me out for me now. Why would someone design this? I can't get on this spark plug socket. I can't reach it with the key. Why would you do it? Please explain, someone. Can't reach nothing. Okay everyone, we just calm down and find a good solution. So how does this spark plug look? Nothing too crazy, I would say. A little worn, but that's no problem. I cleaned that one a little bit with a wire brush and just put it back in. Nothing too crazy with it. Now let's see how this carb looks on the inside. We have to replace anything or not? I don't know. Okay, that's one strange system. I just saw this. So this hose is gonna be replaced definitely. Now we're gonna remove that main jet. See how it looks inside. And to get to this float needle, we want to remove this pin. This is the fuel valve, and I want to open this one as well, just to make sure that the seal inside is okay. I don't want to remove the whole thing again later on, just because this one is leaking. But this one looks pretty good. If it's bad, you can see there are like scratches where the fuel can pass by, but this one is pretty good. And now I'm going to clean this whole thing. Everything is cleaned and nice, and the assembly is of course every step backwards. Oh, nearly forgot the main jet. Won't run without this one. The reed valve looked good. See, we got two plates in here, and they don't have no cracks, nothing. They're intact. That's what we want. So this one is good. I just removed the seal. The paper gaskets for this got destroyed when pulling it off, and because I'm a poor man and because I'm a grasping person, we make new gaskets from this milk box. Wipe the milk off. It's not so flammable, this milk. And with a pen, we mark the gasket we need. Okay, it's easier to use this one for markings because it's just a flat piece. And we just need this gasket 2 times, so we use this. Now we can simply cut out what we marked, and a few moments later we will have a new good gasket. Ta-da! Just the holes and the inner part of it. For this inner area, I want to measure this distance and get it on the part. Fits right on. Good job, bike doctor. Let's mount everything back on. With the self-made gasket, but we mount the aluminum side to the cylinder. Next the carburetor. Of course, with one good gasket. Oh, I forgot 2 holes here. Now it looks better. Carburetor is cleaned and it's in. Everything was on right on the carburetor, but will this thing run? I still don't know if the engine is may damaged. We got a surge. So what do we need to fire up the good old 2-stroke? Right, air, fuel and a spark. Air and fuel should be okay because we cleaned the carburetor already. But what about the spark? Let's see if we can get a small amount of fire out of there. Not a single spark. Use your brain, bike doctor. What can it be? Maybe that really old key switch is oxidized. Let's try it out. Key switch was sitting here, it's removed, and I just plugged it out here. And according to the cabling, this bike should just run fine without the key switch. Next try without key switch, let's see. Yes, there it is. Problem found, now it should run. Long story short, look at that mess. Getting this pocket bike running escalated completely. When trying to start the bike with this automatic drill, I put the 10mm socket on the 10mm screw head, and when the bike starts, the screw gets out, and one time the flywheel got completely destroyed. Look at this. See? These things were here for cooling reason. Oh, that was crazy, I'm really scared. I had a really hard time get it starting. I didn't record everything. It runs, but I have no chance to adjust anything. This thing rests like crazy. It idles like crazy. I don't know what to do actually. I'm scared of this thing. All the welding points are really bad and everything. I don't want to ride this thing. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that and end this video here because this is going nowhere with this thing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and be ready for the next video. Is that river supposed to be that wide and high? Definitely not. I think it's 2 meters higher than usual. That's pretty crazy.